Landscapes of War Volume 5. Fifth issue of the Landscapes of War series, an essential reference for modeling and diorama enthusiasts. In this volume, the authors Diego Cuenca Vidal and Javier Redondo dive into the fascinating world of industrial-themed dioramas, guiding us through detailed, step-by-step articles that reveal the most advanced and effective techniques for designing, building, and painting these complex scenes. Its pages teach you how to build impressive wooden, concrete, and metal buildings and structures. Each project is complemented by the creation of realistic accessories, terrain, furniture, and other elements that add authenticity to your dioramas. The book not only deals with construction, but also thoroughly explores various painting techniques, including methods for weathering each component, from buildings to terrain and accessories. You'll discover how to use a wide range of products to achieve realistic effects and bring your industrial dioramas to life. This book is a must-have resource for all modeling enthusiasts and provides the tools and knowledge needed to take your industrial dioramas to the next level.